Hey everybody, and welcome to another hair viral video. In this video I'm going to show you how can you convert this table into text. So before we begin, please support by clicking the subscribe button and turn this notification bell icon. So let's get started. So here is my table and I want to convert this into text. So for this there is shortcut key also, so I will be bringing here to show your keyboard here on screen keyboard. So my little laptop is little bit slow, so it's taking time. So here you can see. Okay, so for this you have to press Alt. You can see press Alt and then JL. First of all select this all table and then Control A and JLV and then okay. Here you can see it is converted into text. So if you don't know our shortcut key, then you can go like this. Okay, and come back. So first of all we will select this all table and then we will be going layout and then convert to text and then we will clicking OK. Then you can see it changes. You can see it is changed into text. So like this you can change table into text. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos updated. Thank you.